If you're learning English and feel stuck, it's not because you're bad at English, it's usually because you're practicing the wrong way. The first habit is simple: stop learning English as single words. In real life, we don't speak in words, we speak in sentences. So instead of learning just confidence, learn a full sentence like, I feel confident speaking English. This one change helps your brain respond faster. Second, don't try to fix everything at once. That's where most people get frustrated. Fix just one common mistake each day. For example, not I did a mistake, but I made a mistake. Small daily corrections are what build accuracy. Third, speak out loud every day. Even if no one is listening, read a sentence, say it clearly, listen to yourself. Speaking is a skill, and skills improve only through practice. Follow for more tips.